big, small, happy, sad, cold, hot, tall, short, fast, slow, up, down, light, dark, in, out, open, close, young, cold, hard, soft, far, near, clean, dirty, full, empty, strong, weak, wet, dry, easy, difficult, new, cold, early, late, thick, thin, wide, narrow, left, right, sweet, sour, above, below. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.